All your Bitcoin charts are belong to us, ha ha ha.
Welcome to another Bitcoin price analysis. I got the 1 hour chart from this Elliott wave that started on the 6th. Today is the 7th, so yesterday we have a very clear 1 through 5 up wave that got us up over 7,000. Then we started A, B. The B got us back up most of the way to, all the way to 7,000. So we're waiting for the C. I drew it down to the 78% retracement in the Fibonacci's. This could honestly stop, I don't know, even up as high as just here, the red line, which would be the peak of wave 3. That's a very logical stopping place. I think it's going to end up being lower. I don't want to pick this line because that's where A bounced. I don't want to pick this line because that's where 4 bounced. But, it could be a number of places. But we'll know it when it starts to turn. I'm just going to take a gander at Litecoin. Litecoin for Bitcoin with squigglies. Litecoin USD daily, it had a nice 9 recently, which marked the low. That's great. Yeah. The previous low was not a 9, it was a 7. Weekly, we hit, this was a 9 when we peaked. That was already post-peak. That would have been the A-B point. So, right now we're on a red 4, which is a decent turnaround point. We just had a big 3 that took us down quite a ways. So Litecoin, I see, let's zoom way in. I see it may be stuck in this flag for like 2 more weeks. 1, 2. Before it reaches the end of its rope, I think probably will break out a little before, but then come back down. So 2 to 3 weeks for Litecoin breakout. And then Bitcoin, let's look on the weekly to see what we got. I'm going to delete everything. So, let's daily. We could start to break out 12, 13, 14, something like that. To me this looks good. A lot of people are saying bearish because, you assume continuation. Well, why don't we assume continuation of the uptrend? That's my opinion. Just a gigantic flag in the middle of a gigantic rally. Next move, everyone says 100,000. I buy that. Alright, you guys will hear from me again. I promise. The show must go on.